Welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Blockchain Money. As you know, this channel specializes in reviewing the newest and latest projects of cryptocurrency. But before start, there is one of two things we need to get out of the way. Every video on this channel is non-investment advice. We only try to share some projects that seem to us as good projects worth talking about. So guys, today we are looking at the three heavyweights everyone's talking about: the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the XRP itself. With Bitcoin hovering near $100,015, Ethereum testing the $5,000, and the XRP holding steady above $3. Analysts are predicting some bold moves in the 3 months ahead. Could Bitcoin double to $230,000? Could Ethereum break the $7,500? And will the XRP finally push toward $5? So let's dig in. Bitcoin right now is trading between the $110,000 and the $116,000, and it's testing that critical $120,000 resistance. If it breaks above, history tells us we could see another explosive rally. Dan Moorhead from the Pantera Capital, the same guy who nailed the Bitcoin $120,000 call earlier this year, now believes that Bitcoin could more than double in the next 12 months, possibly breaking past $230,000, and he's not the only one bullish. The spot Bitcoin ETFs are still pulling in the massive inflows, proving that institutions are still very interested. Combine that with sticky inflation, a softer US dollar, and the weaker jobs data, and you've got a perfect setup for Bitcoin as a hedge asset. So the $120,000 is really the level to watch. Once that wall comes down, the momentum could get wild. So guys, before we dive deep with our subject, let me share a solution with you guys, and a thing that I found out recently. It's a solution, a service, a platform that call it Nomi Finance. So what is Nomi Finance and what's its mission? The question is, what if I told you guys that you could stake, lend, and access launch pools and all in one place with the full transparency baking? Today we are reviewing Nomi Finance, the next generation DeFi platform bringing together multiple services under one roof. So while we are talking about Nomi Finance, I'll walk you through everything step by step from their homepage and license to staking deposits and price boxes. So let's dive in. As you land on the homepage, you can immediately see Nomi Finance key metrics, a total value locked user growth, and a platform activity. They've also been featured in major outlets. And if you scroll further, you'll notice mention and shoutouts on X and YouTube from top traders who actively talk about this platform. This design is clean, fast, and professional, making navigation a really simple thing. One thing that sets Nomi Finance apart is transparency. If we go to the license section, you'll see legal documents and compliance certificates openly available. Not many DeFi platforms showcase their regulation info this clearly, and this builds trust with the community and potential investors. So now, let's explore the full ecosystem through the site menu. Here we have staking, lending, legible token info, and the company details. Each tab represents a pillar of the Nomi Finance ecosystem, and I'll take you into each one of them so you can see how they work. Here is the second page. Users can lock in funds and earn rewards over different periods. To give you a real example, I'm going to set up 3 fixed deposits, one for $3,000, another for $5,000, and one more for $10,000. As you can see, the APIs are comparative, and the platform shows exactly how long your funds will be locked and what rewards you'll receive. This flexibility makes staking on Nomi accessible to both smaller investors and larger ones. When we are talking about Nomi Finance, we must not forget the prize boxes. Nomi also brings a gamified twist with their prize boxes. Here, users can win special rewards like token, bonuses, or even NFTs. This adds another layers of engagements beyond just traditional staking and lending. Next up, we have the launch pool, where stakers can get early access to a new projects to earn exclusive rewards. And if we check it out, the lending section, you'll see that users can provide liquidity and earn yield in a secure, decentralized way. These are essential DeFi tools, and Nomi integrates them seamlessly into their platforms. So now let's talk about Nomi Finance token. Here is where you can find all the details about the Nomi token, its supply, utility, and role in the ecosystem. Scroll a bit further and you'll see a roadmap which outlines upcoming milestones and economics, and a published roadmap are strong signals that the project is serious and structured. The reason why I know Nomi Finance is because their community. As y'all know, a project is only as strong as its community, and Nomi's Finance media presence is solid. Their X account is active, and their Telegram community is engaging and supportive. This shows that the team isn't just built in silence, they are growing alongside with their users. And actually, I can confirm that because I'm already in contact with some of Nomi Finance team member, and I can confirm that the team member are friendly and they are there when you need their help. So guys, if you want to try out Nomi Finance, I've added my referral link right at the top of the description. This is the easiest way to sign up and also support the channel. Remember, always do your own research and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Let me know in the comments what you think about Nomi Finance. Is this a DeFi platform you'd use? So guys, that was our review about Nomi Finance. Let's go back now to our subject. So guys, Ethereum has been consolidating around $4,700 and it's once again pressing against the $5,000 mark. A clean breakout above this level could send the Ethereum much higher. Standard Chartered even raised it this year and forecast to $7,500, setting second demand, institutional inflows, and Ethereum's role in the tokenized assets. The Ethereum ETFs are seeing around 400 million in fresh inflows too, which tells me institutions are quietly building positions. With Nasdaq even pushing for tokenized securities, Ethereum is right at the center of this shift. If the Ethereum breaks above $5,000 with a strong volume, analysts says that $7.5 thousand or even 10K isn't unrealistic, and it's really easy that Ethereum can reach the 10K or the 7.5 if he just breaks the $5,000. So guys, now the XRP meanwhile has been consolidating around $3, holding strong supports there while struggling at the $3.5 resistance. Analysts are split. Some believes XRP could grind sideways, while others say a breakout above $3.5 could send it toward $5 by late 2025. Ripple's legal clarity and growing banking partnerships give it long-term strength, but it usually moves more slowly than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Still, the XRP has a history of surprising the market when momentum builds. So keep an eye on that $3.5 or the 3.50 cent breakout level. Once you see that the XRP has break the resistance, well, we could see the XRP in the $5 or even more. So here is the takeaway. Bitcoin is gearing up for a possible breakout above $120,000. Ethereum is eyeing $7,500 this year if it clears $5,000. And the XRP could finally make a push toward the $5 if it breaks its range. So guys, what's your prediction? Will Bitcoin double? Will Ethereum run past $7.5 thousand? And can XRP finally surprise the market? Drop your thoughts below. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto updates, and I'll see you in the next one. That was Modi from Blockchain Modi. See you guys in another video. Thank you.